reception. Pass begin Blitzkrieg. Racing from the outside, Golden Square in between runners, Pivotal, Brand Game, The Real Thing, Terry Toon and King Aljun is the early trailer. Cool reception, Pivotal, Blitzkrieg, alongside is Golden Square, Brand Game racing in fifth by a length and a half, The Real Thing racing six by Santo Length, Terry Toon and King Aljun. As they round the 3/4 mile distance, Pivotal by 3/4 of a length, followed by Cool Reception. Golden Square racing from the outside. Grand Game is racing in fourth by the Real Thing is racing down on the inside fifth by Santo Length. Blitzkrieg racing third last. Territon and King Aljun still running at the tail of the field. Passing the half-mile post, Pivotal, Cool Reception, Golden Square, Brand Game, The Real Thing is sneaking down on the inside. Blitzkrieg is racing from the outside. King Aljun, second last, Territon. Rounding the far turn, Pivotal, the leader. Golden Square, Grand Game, and Cool Reception down on the inside. Rushing up is Blitzkrieg, The Real Thing, King Alan Territon, as they race the final corner. It's Pivotal, Grand Game, Golden Square from the outside. The Real Thing down on the inside. Blitzkrieg is racing from the outside. Golden Square, Blitzkrieg, Pivotal, Brand Game, and nearing the finish line, Golden Square, Blitzkrieg